Welcome to this guided meditation on gratitude. In this session, we'll embark on a journey of appreciation, basking in the beauty of life and cultivating a deep sense of gratitude for all that surrounds us. Before we begin, let's take a moment to explore the profound benefits of gratitude and why it's so essential to our well-being. Gratitude is a powerful practice that has been shown to have numerous benefits for our mental, emotional, and physical health. When we cultivate an attitude of gratitude, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, opening our hearts to the abundance that surrounds us. As we prepare to embark on this meditation journey, I invite you to open your heart to the transformative power of gratitude. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the practice, knowing that with each breath, you are nourishing your mind, body, and soul with the gift of gratitude. Let us begin by finding a comfortable position, closing our eyes, and allowing ourselves to fully surrender to this moment of reflection and thankfulness. Take a moment to connect with your breath, allowing each inhale to fill you with peace and each exhale to release any tension or worries. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present, more grounded in this moment of gratitude. As you continue to breathe, bring your awareness to your heart center, the seat of gratitude within you. Imagine a warm, golden light glowing at the center of your chest, radiating outward with each beat of your heart. This light is the essence of gratitude, flowing through you and illuminating all that surrounds you. Sit with this for a moment. Now, take a moment to reflect on the beauty of life that surrounds you. Maybe it's the simple pleasure of a sunny day, or even just waking up in the morning and hearing the birds chirp. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, soaking in the richness of life itself. With each breath, feel your heart expanding with gratitude for the simple joys of existence. For the warmth of the sun on your skin, the coolness of the breeze on your face, the rhythm of your breath as it flows with the universe. Take a moment to savor these sensations, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the present moment. Now, let us turn our attention inward towards the blessings that reside within us. Take a moment to reflect on the gifts you have been given, the talents and strengths that make you unique. Feel gratitude for the love that surrounds you, the support of friends and family, or the kindness of strangers. With each breath, affirm your gratitude for the abundance that flows into your life. Repeat silently to yourself, I am grateful for the blessings that surround me. I am thankful for the abundance that fills my life. I am open to receiving the gifts that the universe has to offer me. Now, let us extend our gratitude outwards, towards all beings who share this journey with us. Take a moment to send love and appreciation to those who have touched your life, both past and present. Feel the ripple of gratitude spreading outwards, connecting you to all of creation. Sit with this feeling of gratitude for a moment. As we bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to express gratitude for this time that you have dedicated to yourself. Know that you can return to this practice whenever you feel the need to reconnect with the wellspring of gratitude within you. Now, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me on this journey of gratitude. May you carry the warmth of this practice with you as you go about your day, knowing that you are surrounded by blessings at every turn. If you enjoyed this session, kindly like and subscribe for more mindfulness and meditation. Until next time, be well, my friend.